In a world where speed once defined greatness, a new era begins where intelligence, power, and silence move together in perfect harmony. The future has arrived, and it has a name: Ferrari Luce. This is not just another electric car. This is a complete redefinition of performance, luxury, and emotion in motion. Imagine standing in front of a machine that feels alive. Its sculpted body reflects light like flowing liquid metal. Every curve is purposeful. Every line is engineered not only for beauty but for aerodynamic perfection. The air does not resist this car, it moves with it, guided, shaped, and mastered. The design is unmistakably Italian, yet undeniably futuristic. It looks less like a car built for roads, and more like something engineered for tomorrow. As the door opens, the world outside fades. Inside, silence becomes an experience. The cabin feels more like a private lounge crafted for speed. Sustainable luxury materials wrap around you, ultra-fine textures, seamless surfaces, and lighting that adjusts like natural daylight. Nothing feels excessive. Nothing feels ordinary. Every detail exists to heighten awareness, comfort, and control. The driver does not simply sit behind the wheel. The driver becomes part of the machine. With a gentle press of the start interface, something extraordinary happens. There is no engine roar. No vibration. Just a subtle awakening, like energy gathering before a lightning strike. Beneath the elegant exterior lies a revolutionary electric power system engineered for extreme performance. Instant torque responds the moment you touch the accelerator. There is no delay, no hesitation, only pure, immediate force. Acceleration is not experienced as movement, it feels like time itself bending. From stillness to breathtaking speed in seconds, yet perfectly controlled, perfectly stable. The sensation is smooth, relentless, and almost unreal. It is power without chaos. Speed without noise. Motion without effort. This is what electric performance was always meant to be. Advanced battery technology provides exceptional driving range, but range is only part of the story. The energy system is intelligent, constantly optimizing performance, temperature, and efficiency in real time. Rapid charging transforms minutes into miles, allowing freedom without compromise. Long journeys become effortless. Short drives become unforgettable. But performance alone does not define Ferrari Luce. Intelligence lives at its core. A fully integrated digital environment surrounds the driver with real-time data, predictive navigation, and adaptive driving systems that learn behavior and preferences. The car studies the road, the weather, and your driving style, adjusting suspension, traction, and responsiveness automatically. Every drive becomes uniquely tailored. The machine evolves with you. Safety systems operate with quiet precision. Sensors, cameras, and advanced processing create a complete awareness of the environment. Potential risks are detected before they fully exist. The car reacts faster than human reflexes, yet always leaves control where it belongs, in the hands of the driver. Because this is not autonomous driving replacing passion. This is technology enhancing it. On open highways, the vehicle glides with effortless grace. In city streets, it moves with precision and control. At high speed, aerodynamics actively reshape the car's behavior, adjusting airflow, stabilizing movement, and maximizing efficiency. It is engineering that feels almost organic, as if the vehicle senses motion the way a living body senses balance. Yet beyond technology, beyond performance, beyond luxury, there is emotion. Driving has always been about feeling. The thrill of acceleration. The connection between machine and human. The sense that something mechanical can respond like a living partner. Ferrari Luce preserves that emotion, but transforms how it is experienced. Instead of sound, you feel energy. Instead of vibration, you feel precision. Instead of noise, you feel control. It is a different kind of intensity. A quieter intensity. A deeper one. At night, the car becomes something even more extraordinary. Subtle illumination traces its shape like a living outline. The interior lighting responds to movement, creating an atmosphere that feels almost cinematic. From a distance, it appears less like transportation and more like a vision in motion, a glimpse of the future passing silently through the present. And perhaps that is what Ferrari Luce truly represents. Not simply an electric vehicle. Not simply a high-performance machine. But a transition point. A moment where tradition and innovation meet, where heritage does not disappear, but evolves into something new. Something cleaner. Faster. Smarter. More refined. This is performance without compromise. Luxury without excess. Technology without complexity. It is proof that the future of driving can still be emotional, still be thrilling, still be beautiful. The road ahead is changing. Energy is changing. Expectations are changing. And in the middle of that transformation stands Ferrari Luce, not following the future, but defining it. The question is no longer how fast a car can go. The question is how alive it can make you feel. And when you experience Ferrari Luce, the answer becomes clear.